If you're a technology consultant or reseller of companies like RingCentral, Zoom, 8x8, or other UCaaS or CCaaS solutions, this video, we're gonna show you 2 ideas to help you market and grow your business. So let's get started right now. For those of you that are new here, my name is David. This is the channel Headset Advisor Partners, where we help our partners with marketing and growing their business, along with helpful information on headsets, speakerphones, and webcams. So consider hitting that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos just like this one. At Headset Advisor, we're a reseller of all the leading brands of headsets, such as Poly, Jabra, and Logitech, just to name a few. And in this video, we're gonna share with you a couple of marketing tactics that we use here that you can apply towards your business if you sell UCaaS or CCaaS type solutions, such as companies like 8x8, RingCentral, or some of the others, as these tactics are universal if you work hard and apply them to your specific business. So let's get started with tip number 1. Create content around your niche. So for us, we're Headset Advisor, and if you look at our main YouTube channel, you're going to see that we post primarily reviews and comparisons of all the different headsets. So as a buyer of headsets that we're trying to attract, they can look and compare the different headsets that they're looking at and make a better buying decision with that content. So you'll want to apply the same strategies for the niche that you serve, depending upon maybe the software that you're selling or the certain demographic that you're looking at. Maybe it's a certain company size or industry. You'll want to narrow your content into what you are really knowledgeable in and want to be knowledgeable in. So what I would do is start with keyword research. We use a keyword research tool called Ubersuggest. And buyers are constantly searching on YouTube and on Google for keywords such as best business phone system or 8x8 versus GoTo. And you can use this Ubersuggest tool to narrow down the options on which keywords you want to focus. So you'll look at a keyword, let's just call it best business phone system, and you're gonna make a video based off of that keyword that you find. So the video might be best business phone system 2021, for example. Then it keeps it current. You could maybe even add in best business phone system for small business 2021. It kind of narrows in on your niche a little bit more and makes it more appealing. So you'll create a video on YouTube based on that keyword and that title. Obviously, you want to make the title as interesting as possible, but then also in the video description, you're going to want to put content relating to that keyword in the description. So YouTube relates that video to the keyword that you're trying to target on those videos. Now, you want to make a very good video as best as you can. Maybe screen sharing, maybe demoing the software and really showing your expertise in that space and giving the potential new customers an idea of who you are and how you can help them. So it gives you a great opportunity to present yourself to your potential customers there. Now, if you are a little overwhelmed with producing a video, well, I just rest assured, if you just have a webcam, you can use even like Zoom and just record your screen and just do a variety of you talking in front of the camera with maybe some screen share involved. Just do the best you can initially. You can always update the content later, or you can invest in equipment and editors up front, just depending upon your specific budget. But Just the more important thing that we found after producing over 600 videos for our main YouTube channel is just getting the content out there and being as helpful as you can on video really goes a long way. So let's assume that you've did your keyword research, you got a title and description on your YouTube video, and you actually shot and recorded your YouTube video. Now you're going to want to create a blog post on your website so that you can embed that video and write up a full description of that video that you did on a blog on your website. Now, it's very simple with websites out there. We use Shopify since we're an e-commerce store, but there's a lot of other websites out there that you can use a blog on. If you don't already have one, it's not overly difficult. So the reason for this is, YouTube and Google are one and the same, and you want Google and YouTube to think you're an expert in the industry and in the space. So you want to record the video, upload the video to YouTube, and also create a blog relating to that same topic or same idea that you created a video for. So you have a better chance of getting found not only on YouTube, but you also have a better chance of getting found on Google when people are searching for these terms that they're typing in. And it works very well, as our web traffic has increased about 400% in the last 12 months. So it works very, very well. And you just want to choose the right keywords and just try to get better and better. The goal is 1% better each video, and you can just keep growing that way. So that's tip number one. All right, tip number two is find a partner network, build your own partner network that you're in control of that complements your business and their business. So for us, for example, we are building a partner network of service provider resellers, technology consultants who resell RingCentral, 8x8, and Zoom, those types of UCaaS solutions. As we've found, most of them do not provide hardware, specifically headsets, and most of their clients, when they do a new rollout, likely need headsets. So it makes sense to work together so that they can get incentivized, make money, earn commission, and the client gets a better overall experience with the service. So the same thing is true. Maybe one idea is if there's some ISPs, internet service providers, that don't sell a voice solution, partnering up with them. When new internet gets put in, then you tag team together and work on deploying whatever UCaaS service that you have, and then you can compensate that ISP rep, and both of you a win-win. Or maybe there's partners of ISPs and you can partner with them so that they can be incentivized to provide your solution as well. These are just two quick ideas. You obviously will know the space and the potential partners better than I would, as you live in the trenches every day. But these are just two quick ideas that come to mind when thinking about who to potentially partner with. But if you implement these two strategies, I guarantee you can significantly increase your opportunities and your sales as you're gaining more exposure when people have a search intent option. And also you can build up a partner network, basically just creating referrals coming to you all the time. And it's a win-win for everybody, including the customer. So those are my two ideas. If you want more information, hit a like on this video and drop a comment, because we're still trying to develop our strategy on our partner YouTube channel, trying to bring you as much value as we possibly can. So any feedback that you have, we would appreciate. And if you want to see more stuff like this, just putting comments and putting a like will help us know that this is in the right direction and help guide us for future videos. So we appreciate that in advance. Well, that's all I got for you. If you want to learn about our partner program, we just launched a video on our headsets as a service. You can check that video out here. Otherwise, you can sign up to become a partner of ours. Just go to headsetadvisor.com/partner to get signed up today, and you can start earning commissions on hardware and headsets when you're rolling out new phone service. Thanks a lot for watching this video. We'll see you next time.